Okay, with the word art object selected, click the text field arrow button, and we want to go to olive green accent 5, which is the 9th color in the first row. So we want to select that. Let me make sure it worked. I'm going to just do that and go back, and it looks like it did. Always compare it, and if it doesn't look like it, go back and repeat the steps. All right, with the word art object still selected, let's just select, let's just highlight it. Click the text outline arrow. So let's go back to the format tab, and then click on word art styles, and then the text outline gallery. We want to point to dark red, the first color in the standard colors row. Okay. And then now you'll see that it's outlined in dark red. All right, then we're going to go to slide 2. And we are going to select the title text. Okay, so let's highlight it. And then we want to go back to that tab that we were on, shape format. Okay, and then drawing tools format tab. So we want to point to the fill dark red accent 1 color, which is the second color in the first row. All right, with the word art object still selected, press and hold shift and then drag the middle size handle on the right side of the box inward as shown in figure 380. So we want it to, see if we can do that. So it says press and hold shift and then drag until it's like that. Now we're going to move on to animating an object using an entrance effect. So with the word art on slide 2 still selected, we are going to go to the animations tab, and we want to click the float in the animations tab. And it is the float in. Okay. All right, now we want to click the effect options button to display the direction gallery. So I'm assuming we're still working with this. And let's see. So we want to float down. All right, Now we're going to click the Start arrow, Animations tab, Timing group to display the Start menu. Alright, and we want to start with Previous. Okay. Alright, now we're going to click the Preview button on the animations to view the slide to preview. Okay, and it says the red square indicates an animation sequence is occurring. And I'm going to click on this figure just to take a look to make sure. Okay, so when you press preview, that red square means you're previewing it. And then you can press play if you want to preview it again. All right, now we're going to go back to timing and the duration, and we want to increase it from 1 to 2. All right, we're going to preview it so it moves a little bit slower. All right, and then it says click any bulleted list text to slide 2. All right, and click the fade entrance effect in the animation gallery. So we want the fade, and I want to say, okay, just to make sure, the fade entrance effect, and then we want to change to add and preview, and change the direction, the duration time to 2, and let's preview it. Okay, all right, now we're going to change the animation sequence effect option. So you want to click the effect options button. So I'm guessing right here, and click all at once to change the sequence. Okay. Okay, so when you see the one, that means all these are going to display all at once. All right, now we're going to add media to slides. So with slide 2 still displaying, click the insert video icon in the right. Okay, and then find the video, let's see, the Awake MP4. So go to downloads, and I have a lot of those I need to delete. But once that gets there, you're going to insert that video. Let me see where mine is. It's the Awake. Okay, click support PowerPoint 3 Awake. I think this is the right one. Yeah, okay. All right, so we inserted it, and click the play pause button to review the video clip. And I'm going to turn my sound up a little bit so I can hear it. I'm not able. maybe I gotta turn the sound up. Let me move this over so we can hear it. And for some reason, and it may not have any sound. All right, we'll move on. All right, to resize a video clip with the video tools format displaying up at the top. Okay. Display the video height up arrow several times until the height is 3.3. And let's see what's next, just to make sure it's the size. Okay. Use the smart guides to position the video clip as shown. So let me click on figure 395. And I need to make it bigger so we can see. So we want it flush over here and then under that. So let's do that. And I probably need to maximize. Okay, so flush here, right there. Let's just make sure we're right on that. Okay. All right, make sure your video clip is still selected, and then go to your corrections, and we're going to adjust group, and we want it to be the last thumbnail in the last row. So the brightness is plus 40%, contrast plus 40%. All right, we're going to go to the playback tab, and we want to click the start arrow to display the start menu. And you're going to click automatically to have the video play automatically. All right, go to the transitions tab and apply the ripple transition in the exciting category. So do y'all see it? Ripple. Okay. All right, and we want it to be ripple, and hopefully that's going to apply it to all. I don't know if that worked or not. I may have messed it up by doing that. What you might need to do is just go to each one. Okay, yeah, it's selected, so it should work. Okay. We want to change the transition to 3. So go up till you get to 3. Okay. All right, and then you can click start from the beginning to play it. So that's slideshow tab from beginning, and then you can press spacebar, spacebar to view the presentation. The last thing is, if you wanted to print it, you could print it, and then they wanted you to print it as full page slides, but we're not actually going to print it. So now you're done and you're ready to submit it. Make sure you save it as the correct file name.